Hi, my little library friends. Do you know what special holiday is coming up soon? Yeah, you're right. It's Easter. Easter is just around the corner. So today you are going to read an Easter book using our Hoopla app. So the next screen will give instructions to the adult who is reading to you today. I chose the book Pete the Cat's Big Easter Adventure by Kimberly and James Dean. And the reason I chose it was because I think Pete is silly and fun. So you go and read about Pete's Easter adventure, and then I'll show you a fun craft that you can make. Enjoy the story. So, did you enjoy Pete the Cat's Big Easter Adventure? Yeah, he's such a silly cat, isn't he? Okay, so today we're going to do some painting, and you're going to make a picture on a piece of canvas. It looks like it's difficult, but it's very easy to do. So what you're going to need for this craft is you're going to need a canvas, which I will supply. You'll get a picture of a bunny, which you will cut out to look like this. You're going to need some spring colors or Easter colors paint. I've got purple and yellow and blue and pink with me right here. And then you're going to do the painting with pom-poms. We're going to attach a clothespin onto the pom-pom, and that's how you're going to do your painting. All right. All right, so make sure you have something down on your table to protect it from the paint. We're using tempera paint, so it is more washable than acrylic paint. What you're going to do is cut out your bunny, and you're going to get an adult to help you roll some pieces of tape and put them on the back of the bunny so that you can put your bunny on your canvas. And you can put your bunny anywhere you want, and make sure it's pressed down very, very well. All right, just like that. Then you're going to take the pom-pom that I give you and the clothespin, and you're going to do like that, okay? Then you're going to pour the paint color that you want to use, or maybe you want to use more than one color. I'm going to try some yellow first. Just a little bit. You don't need very much. If you're doing just one color, you can put more in. And then what you do is you dip your pom-pom in the paint, just like so, and you go all the way around, up and down. Okay, and if you do it like this, the paint won't go underneath your bunny, because you're going to pull that bunny paper off after. All right, and you can just keep going all the way around. And if you want to use different colors, you just go ahead. You can make this as bright as you want. I'm just going to go around like so. When you want a different color though, then you'll change your pom-pom, okay? But I'm just going to do my yellow all over, and it doesn't matter if there is white showing, as long as you go around your bunny all the way so that your outline shows. Of course, little hands might go a lot slower than me, but right? And I'm going to put one more color on. What color should I pick? Maybe I'll pick some blue. Change my pom-pom and dip it in the blue. If you get too much, you can do it on the side. And I'm just going to put some blue. And what happens when you mix blue and yellow? You'll notice that it turns green. All right. When you're done with that, you're going to let it dry. Okay? Mine's not quite dry, but you're going to let yours dry. And once it's dry, you're going to get someone to help you peel your bunny up. And you can throw that piece away. Now you have a bunny on your canvas. Now your bunny needs a tail. So I think, what color should we pick for this bunny's tail? Should we pick green because he's got some green made with the blue and yellow? And then you're going to glue the bunny's tail down on there. So that, there, mine is already glued. There, and then you have your bunny. All done. All right, so I hope you enjoy the craft. If you would like, take and make kits, I will have some available. So make sure you let me know and I'll put together, you'll get the canvas and the bunny printout. And if you need some paint, all you have to do is let me know and I can find some little containers, or you can bring some little containers and I can put some paint in for you. I'll give you some pom-poms and some clothespins and you can make yourself a very pretty Easter bunny picture for Easter. All right, there we go. Have a good Easter, everybody. Bye now.